vlog, you guys know that I was in the process of setting up my room. We got it renovated and I wanted to change the look of it for a very long time. So it's finally done. I think it looks really nice. So I'm really excited to show you guys what we've done with it. My mom helped me out a ton with my room. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. We're almost at 3 lakh subscribers, which is crazy. Let's get to 500k subscribers really fast. I know it'll take a while, but we can still try. So yeah, let's get started. So let's get into my room. So this is kind of like an overview, and those are a lot of boxes outside. So we got the room whitewashed and we also changed the color of the cupboards to white, the plywood. That's why everything looks really white and bright. So as soon as you enter on the right side, we have these shelves. I was so confused about what to put here, but I think it's turned out really pretty. So we got these fake plants from Lifestyle, and also I had that old mirror, and also these super cute cookie jars. They're all from Lifestyle, so cute. And we had this old mug that we placed here, and on the top shelf, these old jars and my old aloe vera plant. So this is my cupboard, guys. There are the ones above, we put our suitcases and stuff there. So in the main cupboard, I haven't changed anything inside. So if you watch my last room tour, it's pretty much the same. So I have my jeans and my dresses, the ones that I want to hang on top. In the first drawer, I keep my tops and t-shirts, and a GoPro is also lying here. Why is it here? In my second drawer, I have my shorts and skirts and my old jhalla ghar ke kapde. And in the last drawer, I keep my sweaters and my jackets. So in the top section, I keep some of my jewelry, my earrings, more earrings, and some old mithai dabbas which I use as jewelry holders. And on the side, I hang my jewelry on these things I got from Surajkund Mela. On the side cupboard, I keep my dresses and my rompers and this only dupatta that I have. And this, guys, I have tried to clean this so many times, but I keep my bags like that. And in the small little section cupboard, I just keep some random things like hats, scarves, and some jackets and sweaters. Now, when you look in front, hey, that's me, hi. So this side we have my shoe cupboard. This is one of my favorite things in the room. I think my mom came up with such an awesome design for this. So I keep all my shoes like this neatly stacked, and I've cleaned it up really nicely to show you guys. See guys, I have cleaned up my room. And this tripod, it shouldn't be here. I need to put it away. I need to find a good place for this. Next we have, oh, this is the favorite part of my room, guys. Look at this. This is so cute. I'm so happy with how this like little sitting area has turned out. So these cushions and the carpet and this round sausage cushion and everything is from Fab India, and even the red poof that I have on the side. I think this area has turned out so nice and cute. And these paintings, if you watched the last vlog, you would have seen me make these. Pretty simple, it's just a DIY, and I love the prints that I found on Pinterest. It looks so nice. And moving on to the bed, wait. I need to put on the fairy lights. It's not perfect without it. There we go. It looks so cute, right? I'm so happy with how it's turned out. I finally put fairy lights in my room. So I've got these really nice cushions from Maspa. And guys, I'm not really a soft toy person, but these dogs are really cute and I can't seem to throw them away. And this throw blanket, I didn't think we would find something like this in Lifestyle, but we did. I'm very happy. And on the headboard, again, I have some pictures, and haha, guys, it's just casually lying there. Subscribe. And I also have this plant in my room. It's a fake plant from Lifestyle again. I think it makes the room look really cute, and it's in a glass vase. Then the last section of the room is quite plain. I need to do something with this, but I have this canvas of a world map. I actually posted about this on my Instagram story, and a girl named Aisha made it for me. Thank you, Aisha. And on the floor, I have this colored tire. My mom actually got this made, so we got the tire painted yellow, and then I have this yellow dustbin from Fab India, and that's it. So that was it for my room tour. How did you guys like my room? I am so in love with it. I think it looks so nice. It almost looks a little bit Pinteresty, which I'm very proud of. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and found some inspiration to do up your room. The part where I'm sitting is my favorite part. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!